Hey guys, William here with Shadowtronics. Just wanted to do a little new video with a new camera I've got. Well, it's a new cell phone actually. It's the Samsung Galaxy S6. If you've seen any other of my cell phone videos, you'll understand why I say this is new and great. So I'm just checking it out, taking some video here of my 3D printer running. Again, thank you to Michael Lancaster and Dan Murphy for, I say Murray, I don't know why, for those guys were awesome and helped me get back up and running. As you see, it's running well. What had happened was this table that the printer is sitting on got knocked into by my wife on accident, and the printer, my laptop, my monitor, all of it kind of tumbled to the floor about 5.5 feet to the floor. And yeah, it killed the frame of the printer. It broke the whole top of it into like 20 different pieces. So Michael was able to, he had upgraded his to the metal frame, which I want to do eventually. And he had his acrylic frame just laying around. So he was nice enough to send it out to me. Like I said, I truly do appreciate it. And it took me about 5 hours to get it rebuilt, and it seems to be doing okay. Learned a lot while I was rebuilding it. Apparently mine wasn't tight enough or sturdy enough. I went through meticulously with this one, making sure all the screws are tight and making sure the frame was square, and everything seems to be okay. It's printing very well. One problem I did have is apparently the MOSFET died that I had running the heat bed, which is okay because the heat bed's actually, I got to resolder it. But with PLA, you really don't need a heated bed, so it seems to be working just fine without it. But that's about it. It's printing a stand right now for the mini drill press project, which I got to get up on the website and do a video about in its own right. But I just want to do this little quick test, and like I said, a big thank you out to Michael Lancaster and Dan Murphy for helping me out. Alright, comment, like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our website, shadowtronics.org. Got a lot of info going to be going up on the website here in the next day or so. I'm going to dedicate a day just to sit down and type up stuff on the computer. But you guys check it out. Let us know what you think. I'm going to be doing some more time-lapse videos too. I think this will do some really nice time-lapse. But let's go up here. Just one last view here. Yes, that is a candy cane hanging on the frame. And my little cheap free flashlight from Harbor Freight. I still got to work on the wiring. I still haven't really figured out a good way of doing this. I did find a really nice way of hanging the heat bed wiring to keep it from breaking and stuff. It's just, I didn't have time to solder it up and everything. There's my ramps board. I don't normally have a fan that clips onto this. I just haven't put it back on yet. But other than that, it's printing well. Get a shot of the screen here. It's printing away. Oh, focus. Focus. There we go. Alright. As always, like, subscribe, dislike, leave a comment. It doesn't matter. But we'll see you on the flip side.